Hello everybody, welcome to Project Beauty, where we talk about project planning and everything beauty related. My name is Jen, and today we're going to open up one of these Sephora Favorites kits for the holidays. This one is called the Glitz and Glam Sephora Favorites Kit, and it is $40 Canadian. It says that there is $100 worth of value in here. I don't think that there's that much value in here, but I also think that you have to take into account that they're going to charge you for this thing that it comes in, so the baggie. So just take that into consideration when you're valuing all of the items and the value that they give you as well. So I'm just going to snip this because there is a little plastic tab that keeps the box to the baggie so that I guess you can't take it, of course, or maybe for return purposes. I don't know, but I'm just, oh, this is like right in the bag. There's like a hole in the bag now. Okay, so where the one side is, there's a little hole in the baggie now, which totally sucks. But these I use for cross stitching, so they're a little large, but I mean, I use them if I'm like doing a project. I haven't cross stitched in months because summer is my gardening time, but all that aside, we're going to talk about the items that came in here. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, and there's only one full size, which is the eyelash set, like as if you could give a mini of an eyelash set. So opening this up, there's not a whole lot in here. Everything's really tiny. We'll just grab and go as I grab something out of here. So the first item is this Glossier item, and it says the Boy Brow in Clear. Oh, it is a full size. So apparently this is a full size Boy Brow in Clear brow gel. It's just called Glossier Boy Brow Clear. It's 3.8 grams. I've never used this before. I will open this to show you guys. I love a brow gel. Yeah, it's clear, and it's got a teeny tiny little wand on it. So very cute. Hopefully that dries down totally transparent. I will use it. I use the brow freeze on my brows all the time. I'm faithful to brow freeze. So I will definitely try this though, because I'm always interested in trying new products. However, lately I'm a little more, when I find something that works, I stick with it. So I'm getting tired of trying new things and wasting money on things that just aren't working. But this is a way to try things where it's not going to cost you everything. And essentially, like, for $40 for all of this, if this is a full size, it's probably around the $24 mark, Canadian maybe. So it's a good deal. The other full size item here is, of course, the eyelashes. So these are Lily lashes, no glue needed. They are body heat activated. So apparently you put them on, your body heat will heat up the adhesive or whatever it is and adhere it to your skin. I'm hoping that I am not allergic to this. You can trim them. They are 3D foam ink. So this is what they look like in the package. I think my camera must be dirty or something. I have to look at that later, but we'll leave it in foggy filter right now. Sorry about that. The next item is the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix 24-hour hydrating setting mist. And this comes as a 10 ml, so not super large, but definitely perfect to try it out a couple times. So that's what that looks like. And it's just a regular mister sprayer on there. That will come in handy because I do have to travel soon, so that will definitely come in handy for travel. I also see Jizu honey infused hair perfume. I'm not sure I'm going to like this if it's honey smelling. So let's see what the back of this says. Honey infused hair perfume, wildflower honey smell. 4 mils. I'm going to have to check this out because this might be something I have to pass along. Okay, what is happening here? It's not letting me pull it. Oh, there we go. I see. Okay. Okay, it's not terrible. I'm going to spray it. I'm going to spray it back here though. Okay, it's not terrible. It doesn't smell like straight up honey. I cannot stand the smell of straight up honey. So this will be fine. I will definitely use this, and probably it won't last very long because there's only 4 mils. But it does give more of a floral scent. It's like hinting on old lady-ish, but it's still fresh floral, slightly old lady-ish. Okay, the next thing I have is the Kosas Cloud Set Translucent Loose Setting and Blurring Powder. And this is in the shade Candy. So it's a little deluxe size sample. This is 1 gram of product. And it is a pink shade. You can see it's called Candy, and it's that baby pink shade. So definitely will try that out. I love trying out loose setting powders because I love loose setting powder. I also love using a pressed setting powder like under the eye and stuff, but the loose setting powder all over my face, I love it. I love it. This is the Laura Mercier translucent pressed setting powder. Okay, so we do have a pressed one in here as well, and this is Ultra Blur, and this has 2 grams worth of product, where the Kosas one has 1 gram. So this is like finely milled loose. This is pressed 2 grams, so this is 1 grams. You're getting double the amount in here, even though it looks like way tinier. And this is the shade. I love these little samples from Laura Mercier. I have a blush of this too that Valerie sent me, and I absolutely love it. It's just, I love this. It's so cute. Perfect size, wonderful to try. And last but not least, there is a blush in here from Basma. I've been wanting to try this brand for a while. I have enough cream products. I don't need to buy any more cream blush products, honestly, but if it comes in a Sephora favorites, that's okay. So this is the Cream Blush Mini in Cherry Red, which is fantastic. 1.2 grams of product in here. And there's nothing I'm allergic to. Yay! that I know of right now. And it just pops open on the side. I think the other ones slide open, but this one has a little pop. And I love the color of the packaging. And here's the product. I haven't even seen it yet, really, so I'll take a look in a second. But oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful red. Let's swatch this because I want to see what this consistency is like and how pigmented this is. So it looks like it's a little sheer. It's definitely going to be a little sheer. That's just ever so slightly tapped onto my hand. So definitely can go back in with the product. It's not going to be like the color of my shirt on your cheeks. This is just a nice flushed, kind of glossy blush formula. So really, really nice. That's going to be really beautiful. And I think topped with a little bit of a powder will just calm the redness, but also the shiny. So now I have nothing to wash my hands off with or wipe my hands off with. But definitely feel like this is going to be something that you can pile on if you want to. That's not the word I wanted to use, but you can build it up. So definitely buildable. Looks cute. Really excited to try that with the shirt I have on right now. You know, we're getting into leaning into like fall. Holidays are going to be coming up at the end of the year, Christmas time. So this blush is going to come in handy for the holiday season. I really like this. This is very cute. So far I'm thinking this is a good little package. Is it worth $40? Maybe not. But to try random things that are coming new at Sephora and maybe see something that you maybe wouldn't have bought the full size of, but it's because it's tiny, you know, you can try it out and see if it's for you. I would say that this is an all right purchase, especially for me because I do love my setting powders. So for me, this alone and also this, the setting spray, those 3 alone just make this for me. I would love to have an all loose setting powder bundle. I think that would be so much fun, honestly, or like pressed loose setting powder and also setting sprays like in a bundle. I think that would be so fun. But I'm excited to try the Basma blush. I think this is going to be a great one. The hair mist, this will take me no time at all to use up. if I'm using it like 1 spritz after every shower, I mean, it could potentially last me like a good month, depending on how much I spritz. And then this one will last a while because I probably will maybe like 2 months, 3 months, depending on, you know, how much I need in order to get the look I'm going for. So all in all, there's some really good worth like into each item. Like you can really try each item and see what you think of each individual thing. So that's exciting. These I'm not sure I'm going to be able to use, but I will definitely try them and see if it does actually adhere without glue. So that's everything. I really wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully, if you do try this, you enjoy it. I'm hoping I enjoy it as well. That is everything that comes in this little kit. I will have another video coming up with the advent calendar very soon. These are going to start popping up and you're going to see things coming up throughout the month in my videos. So randomly between other project pans and stuff like that, you're going to see hauls, you're going to see opening, unboxing, those kinds of things. So stay tuned for those, but I hope you do like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. If you don't know what to leave, just leave the word Sephora. That would be great because this is Sephora favorites. So let's go ahead and support and let me know if you pick this up. That'd be great. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.